Guys, so if you currently spend anything above 150 naira to get 1 gig of data in this economy, then this video is for you. Come closer because I've got a secret data hack for you. How to get cheap data and working data without having to pass through a backdoor system. It doesn't require any extra app or any VPN or anything. It is completely legal, just that only a few people know about this particular data hack I'm about to share with you guys. See, it's no longer in news that the price of data recently has skyrocketed. Like, it doesn't even end there. The most alarming part is the fact that this thing gets exhausted pretty fast, because come to think about it, how do you expect me to comprehend the fact that just this morning I've spent close to 2 gig data and it is not even 12 p.m. yet? Like, okay, fine, I do a lot of things online, so it is obviously expected. But then if you are someone that also find yourself spending much on data, then this particular video, you want to ensure you watch it to the end, because right here in this particular video I want to share with you how to get cheap data in 2024. Yeah, this is not what you think. And so right here in this particular video, I'm going to share it with you step by step, guys. A few days ago I made this particular video here where I was talking about how to get cheap data and something as equivalent as getting 3 gig for 400 naira. Yes, 3 gig for 400 naira. It is something equivalent to 3 gig for 400 naira, and that's quite interesting. In fact, it is super great already. And if you missed the video, don't worry, I'll link it here and you can go ahead to check it out. Either here, it should appear either here or here. So guys, now I want to make this other video. This new one is another exciting one, and I have 3 different plans to share with you in this particular video. Number 1, you could get 1 gig of data for 200 naira. I know a lot of you know about this already, and it's even quite expensive, but that's the cheapest one of what I want to share, because the higher you go, the better it becomes. And then the second one is that you could get 3.5 gig of data for just 500 naira. Yeah, do the math. 3.5 gig of data for just 500 naira. That's pretty interesting already. But then there are catches to this. And the third one, which is the most exciting part, is the fact that you could get 2,000 naira, or you get 15 gig of data with just 2,000 naira. If you divide that, that's something less than 150 naira per gig. Yeah, you are getting 15 gig of data for just 2,000 naira. But here is the thing. This thing is not available for all networks. It is only for MTN user. So if you're an MTN user, come closer, because this is where it gets interesting. I'm sorry if you're using other SIM card, this is not for you, because it doesn't work for you guys now. However, the video I shared the hack I shared in my last video, which I already linked earlier, works for MTN, Airtel, and others. So guys, let's get straight into my screen and I'll show you how to get this cheap data in 2024. Alright guys, so what you want to do right now is either go to App Store or Play Store. Then you want to download the MTN app. Like I stated earlier, it is only for MTN. So you want to download this MTN app. It is right on Apple Store and also on Play Store. So once you download MTN app, if you are not on MTN app before, you want to of course sign up. So ensure you use your phone number to sign up. Don't use another method. Continue with your phone number and just input your phone number. Once you inputted your phone number, they will send you a code for you to verify your number, and then you just have to verify that and continue. Alright guys, so if you're actually finding this video helpful so far, and all I need you to do right now is please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to other people who are also interested in this cheap data, because yeah, the least we could do in this current economy is to help each other. So give this video a thumbs up, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because all I do on this channel is I spend a lot of time researching on opportunities like this and even make money online opportunities. And when I find the one that work, the one that is paying, I come right here on my channel to share it with you guys. And if you're also interested in making money in 2024, of course, what you want to do right now is to join the family by subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that I be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I drop another exciting video like this. Guys, please subscribe and let's get back into the video. Alright guys, so immediately you are able to verify your number, you should land on this particular page. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just get straight into the main part. All you need to do is come right here and select buy data bundle. As you can see,
this thing is still loading. It will show your airtime balance here and your existing data balance. So just click on buy data bundle, and once you come that, the secret is that you want to go for digital bundle. A lot of people don't usually explore up to this point. So as you can see, these digital bundles right here, that's where the secret is. So just click on it, and once you click on digital bundle, and as you can see right here, we have the first one is 1 gig for 200 naira, but that one is valid for only 1 day, as you can see right here. And the second plan here is 3.5 gig for 500 naira, but it is valid for just 2 days, guys. So as you can see right here, we have daily, and right here we have weekly. So this main part is that come to this weekly section right here, and then as you can see, you can get 15 gig of data for just 2,000 naira, and it is valid for 7 days. That's really interesting and it is good. So let's say 2,000 naira, you are getting 15 gig of data for 2,000 naira. Let's do some simple math. So 2,000 naira divided by 15 gig of data, that means you are getting 1 gig of data for 133 naira. That's less than 150 naira per gig of data. And the fact is that 7 days is enough. I don't know, depending on how well you consume data, but for me 15 gig is not too much for 7 days. So it just depends on you. So all you need to do is just click on buy now, and once you click on buy now, let me tell you something. Here is the catch. If you want to purchase this bundle, you are not going to use airtime. You cannot use airtime to purchase this bundle. So all you need to do is click on proceed to make payments, and as you can see, you'll be charged 2,000 naira. You can only pay with transfer, like you can pay with your bank. You cannot pay with airtime. So please note this thing, so that you not go ahead and recharge 2,000 naira, and then you are about to make the payment, you now find out that you cannot use airtime to make payments. So you can only pay with either your bank or your card. Yeah, that's how this particular one works.
So guys, we've actually come to the end of this particular video, and all I need you to do right now is go to the comment section. If you have any question, I'm always in the comment section and I will be open to answer your question. And if you have any other video idea you want me to talk about, or maybe any other thing you want me to talk about in my next video, please let me know in the comment section. And by now, I want to be sure that you've already given this video a thumbs up and you've already subscribed to the channel. Welcome to the family. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys, watch this next.